This is Tad Sae waterfall, and this is a ticket counter where the foreigners were allowed for 15,000 kip. But I am the family, so when I am the family of this, so I'm trying to save my 5,000 kip. So now if I get into this family, so I save 5,000 kip. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you so much for saving my 5,000.
Yeah, that's my
Thank you.
pleasure.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you. So, see this, I bought it in 10,000, I saved 5,000 because now I am the family of the children and they are enjoying me too, but they are enjoying me as a young man, young friend. That's the great out of it. So I will show you this, the waterfall. That's a fantastic waterfall. And see this leaf of this plant. You can see the huge leaf, huge leaf. I've never seen this big. Never seen this big. The small one will grow up to that as we took. This is the waterfall. Again, I'm joining them. So, really beautiful, huge bamboos and a huge waterfall. People enjoying the lunch. Enjoy the lunch. Really something very beautiful. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah.